टेक्स्ट बुक बंद चाहिए मुझे. क्लोज योर टेक्स्ट बुक्स. Question number 1. 5x minus 17 is equal to 2x minus 8. So what we have to do is find the value of x. That is the objective of this question. Linear equations. X की value ढूंढनी है. So what we have to do is we have to take all the terms containing x on the left hand side and all the numbers on the right hand side. So that is known as transposition. Transposition के कुछ rules है. Like 5x is over here, I'll bring 2x to the left hand side. When I bring any number to the left hand side, if the number is in the operation of addition or subtraction, then its sign has to be changed. So this 2x is in subtraction with 8, it will become minus 2x when it comes over here. Plus 2x will become minus 2x, and this plus 17 will go that side and will become minus 17 will go there and become plus 17. Minus 8 will remain here as it is. So 5x minus 2x is 3x is equal to 17 minus 8 is 9, and x is equal to 9 by 3. Now see, this 3 is in multiplication with x, will go on the other side and get divided, and you will get 3 over here. X is equal to 3. Or you can write it below also. X is equal to 3. Question number 2. 6 minus 3 bracket 2x minus 3 is equal to 5 bracket 6 minus x bracket close minus 4x. Ohm, I want your help. Tell me. You write down later, you first tell me. Chal. No. First you will open all the brackets and simplify. So 6 minus 3 2s are, then open the bracket na, 3 2s are 6x plus 9 minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 9 is equal to 30 very good. Okay, 6 plus 9. Why plus 9? Because I will just take this sign, and the sign of 6 is plus. Plus 6 plus 9 is plus 15 minus 6x is equal to 30. Tell me the answer. Minus 9x. Okay, x now minus 9x will go to the other side, so it will become plus 9x minus 6x is equal to 30 minus 15. 30 will remain as it is, 15 will go to the other side, will become minus 15. Tell me ahead. Sorry. समझ में आया? हमेशा पहले ब्रैकेट्स ओपन करो, साइन का ध्यान रखो, सिंप्लीफाई करो, एक्स एक साइड ले लो, बाकी सारे एक साइड, और सॉल्व कर लो. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन लिखो और जगह छोड़ दो, सॉल्व तुम करोगे खुद. राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. आर यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग? इजी राइट? Raj, you will help me with this and note down the question and you can solve it later. Others can write it with me. X by 4 plus x by 6 equals x minus 7. Raj, how will start? How? Okay, what is the LCM of 4 and 6? 4 और 6 के टेबल में पहला नंबर कौन सा होता है? 12. How? What should I do now? So how do I write it now? 3x plus 2x the whole upon 12 है ना? Simple. अभी सही है. 12 को वो साइड लेके जाओ. देख इधर. अभी क्या करूं? ओके. इक्वल्स. ओके. 5x minus. Very good. Okay, next. सही है. समझ में आया? प्राजक्ता, help me with this. 2x by 3 minus x minus 8 by 6 equals 2 bracket 2x plus 19 the whole by 9. 2x by 3 minus x minus 8 by 6 is equal to 2 bracket 2x plus 19 the whole upon 9. Yes, Prajakta, tell me. Of? I think what I do in these kind of questions is I take LCM of all the 3 terms or 4 terms on either side. Sub LCM ek साथ. I'll tell you why. It's very beneficial. What is the LCM of 3, 6 and 9? 3 6 6 3 and 9 2 See how it's going to help. 6 will get multiplied here. So 12x minus 3 bracket x minus 8 the whole upon 18 is equal to 2 2s are 4 bracket 2x plus 19 the whole by 18. This is correct. Can I cancel this 18 from both the denominators? Yeah, that's why we have to take LCM throughout. So that there is no cross multiplication required after that. Tell me after this. Now tell me what do I write? Very good. Right? Okay, very good. Don't make these mistakes. ठीक है, shall we go to the next question? Krish? Okay. Okay, tell me. Yeah, so I can write 2x plus 3 first and then 3x minus 2 is equal to first this and then this comes here. Right? Cross multiplied. Now, no, not directly. You'll write this 2x bracket 3x minus 2 plus 3 bracket 3x minus 2. You have to multiply each term with the whole bracket. Right? Then 6x square. Why? Because 2x into 3x. Why? Because it's the same on both the sides. Yes. Hmm. Hmm. छापो मत, सॉल्व करो खुद. That's why I'm discussing every question के तुमको टेक्निक समझ में आ जाए. Once you know the technique, फिर कोई भी क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो तुम. ओम 2x plus 3 by 3x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 3 by 3x minus 2. It's the same thing. I'm sorry. 5 by x plus 2 minus 3 by x minus 2 is equal to 2 by x. Ohm. पहले तो एलसीएम लेना पड़ेगा ना। जब ऐसे नंबर्स आते हैं डिनोमिनेटर में तो एलसीएम कैसे लोगे? तो बेसिकली एलसीएम इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज टू, और उस साइड मत लो अभी एलसीएम, ठीक है? सिर्फ ये दोनों का ले लो, नहीं तो और कंफ्यूज हो गए। सो हियर यू विल मल्टीप्लाई एक्स माइनस टू, हियर यू विल मल्टीप्लाई एक्स प्लस टू इन द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. So 5 bracket x minus 2 minus 3 bracket x plus 2 the whole upon x plus 2 x minus 2 is equal to 2 by x. Correct? बताओ अब आगे. Sorry? What? Equals to. इक्वल्स टू बेटा एक ही होता है जो बीच में है, पहले इक्वल टू से शुरू नहीं करना है. बोलो. a प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी कितना होता है? a प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी कितना होता है? आइडेंटिटी है ना ये, तो x प्लस टू इंटू एक्स माइनस टू कितना होगा? अप्लाई करो एल्जेब्रा बिंदास, कोई टेंशन नहीं लेने का. ठीक है, बताओ आगे. या यू कैन. -10 -6 कितना होता है? -16. माइनस माइनस प्लस और बड़े नंबर की साइन. सही है. अब क्या करेंगे बताओ? ऐसे, दैट मीन्स क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. अरे ये तो कटेगा ना दोनों साइड से. हाँ बोलो. -16. करेक्ट. अंडरस्टूड. बहुत ध्यान रखना है छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स में, नहीं तो मिस्टेक होगी. सी इन दिस चैप्टर you will do mistakes and you will realize it later. No problem. Cut everything, start fresh. ठीक है, पूरा कट करके फ्रेश स्टार्ट करो. जब भी तुम्हें रियलाइज होता है मिस्टेक हो रही है, कट करके फिर से स्टार्ट करो. इट्स पॉसिबल दैट you will realize that you are going to do the mistake and you will stop, but that will take a lot of practice, and then the stage will come you will never do the mistake because you have achieved that mastery, but that will take some time. It will take a lot of practice. Who's next? Raj. 1.25 प्लस 9.75 बाय x इक्वल्स 4.5. बताओ राज, हाउ डू वी बिगिन? First you will write 9.75 by x and take 1.25 on the other side. What do we get? सही है ना? Now x that side is 3.25, this side 9.75 by 3.25 is equal to x. So x is equal to अरे डिवाइड करना है, इनटू कैसे? डिवीजन है इधर. 3.25 3 जा 9.75, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर वही आएगा. देखो हो गया, तो छोटा सा है. सही है ना? डन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्राजक्ता. कभी दिया? मैं बात करता हूँ, मेरा भी रिकॉर्डिंग चल रहा है. Why? There is a minus sign here. First, solve this bracket. Okay? बताओ. Take LCM na inside. What you will get? This is x by 1. 7x plus 5x minus 4 the whole upon 7 is equal to. Take LCM here also. Take LCM here also. All together you want to do? Okay, all together. Chal. LCM is 21. Yeah, you are right. What is this 7x plus 5x? 12x, राइट? तो एक ब्रैकेट डाल, पहले ये 3 लिख दे, फिर एक ब्रैकेट डाल दे, फिर इधर लिख 12x माइनस 4. ठीक है? ये जब मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो ब्रैकेट ओपन कर देंगे. द होल अपॉन क्या हो जाएगा? ये नोट करो, हाँ, ये स्टेप बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि तुम सब लोग गलती करोगे यहाँ पे. ये डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन है. हाँ, फिर हाँ 4x तो रहेगा ही अंदर. प्लस 7 माइनस 21 कितना होता है? माइनस 14 आएगा। The whole multiplied by 7, you are correct. And now what do we do? Very nice. तुम लोग देख रहे हो ये क्या हो रहा है? क्योंकि ये डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन है, ऐसे क्वेश्चन में तुम अटकोगे एक्सरसाइज में भी। यस, सही है ना? या 36 + 6 is 42. बोलो चलो। What happened? Yes, Prajakta. -98 -12. Hmm. ठीक है, so this part was a bit confusing thing, and you need to be very much aware about this minus sign. When you open the bracket, this will change the sign of all the terms which are inside the bracket. Be very careful. Last question, Krish. This is the last question. It is difficult. Okay. Very good. Very brave step. Wait, I'll make your task a little easy. X square minus 16 can be written as x plus 4, x minus 4. A plus b into a minus b. This is a square minus b square. 16 is 4 square. So x plus 4 into x minus 4 minus 3 upon x minus 4 is equal to 5 upon x plus 4. Tell me, what is the LCM? No, for all of the terms. What is the LCM? Yeah, so this is the LCM, right? So here I'm not going to multiply anything. So 1. Here what I'll multiply? And here, very good. Yeah. There is a minus sign here. You cannot cut anything. First, you need to get rid of the minus sign. For that, we are taking LCM, and then we'll cut everything together. Yes. No, 2x. I'll write the denominator together. Very good. The whole upon or x plus 4 into x minus 4 is equal to x plus 4 into x minus 4. Right? And now? Now it has become very easy. Chalo. Minus x minus 5x. Bring it here at once. Correct. I'll stop the recording.